నేను బాగా తిన్నాడు నాకు తెలియదు
ก็เป็นก็ใช้กันอย่าง
Hagani ke jengpen ni ke jengpen hiar ke Seaplane lai don lang Menteri Rang Ba ke Jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma usembut Menteri Rang Ba ke Jelau ba asnyau Palanghar UMLA ko umroi ba daman ba lamare ba ki officer ke Sarkar Pedang ba ke Sarkar Jelau. Kani ke jengwan pej Menteri ke Sarkar Pedang ya ke jengpen hiar ke Seaplane na ke Pung Umiam ke diru kum Shibenta jong ke jengwan jurip jungu ba arsengi ke Jelau Meghalaya. Hagba enlum ke jengelang ba keren ha ke bidai ba ki kam Liengsuiñ hangathan. Ukenja rapu Ramohan Naidu lero yu Menteri Rang Ba ke Jelau halo ke jengjab hagaban penlong ya kene ke jengpen i bat ula penpau ke jenglong kongsan jong kene ke jengpen i bagalong ke bajab ha ke jengpenan kam ya ki kor ki bor ke jok ke bementa bat ke jengla ban Pynïasoh hakari ulong baki Liengsuiñ ki belong ban penhiar ne ke jaka badon ki don kalat ke pekerpang ban Pynïasoh ke jaka ban jar ban poi ban Kyntiew ke kam Jngohkai bat Kyntiew ya ke jok ke kot ke kan boker kari. Kani ke jengpen ni kalong ru kadat ujong ke jengit reilang hapereng ke Sarkar Pedang bat Sarkar Meghalaya. Dalor kania ula batai ru syapang di senjam bat mai dan pelat ya ke jengpen her kini bijat Liengsuiñ ha po ke skim uran. Bapit kerpang ya ke jengpen her ki Liengsuiñ ya ke jaka ke beran ko Bat ula kentui ke Sarkar bagi jala ke tan stelam ini bagin syam kabui ke jengmen toy jong ke jengpen her Liengsuiñ na ke jaka ke beran ha ke jala jongki. Menteri Rang Ba ke Jelau ula penpau ba ansa tairu ya ke hotel 7 star ha ke Pung Umiam bat ke jing sedang ya ke jing syakri jong ke Liengsuiñ ke baplela chosho ke bedai bat ke kam Jngohkai Pyrthei dan ke bapensuk ke nong let nong wan ban ke jaka ke itnat ke beran hakeleng ke Jelau Meghalaya.
So these seaplanes are going to be just seaplanes if we are not able to connect them or make them part of the ecosystem that we need to create. And therefore, the tourism sector will play a very important role in the success of the seaplanes that come in. How do we integrate the experience of a seaplane on a Umiam lake with the stay that the tourists will have, in the resorts out here? So just to share with you, this place that you are seeing right now, we are going for a massive changeover of this place. We have opened up bids to put up a 7-star resort out here, and we are getting bids coming in as we speak. I think it's just in the pipeline. So I'm hopeful that in the next 2 to 3 years, we will be having maybe one of the best resorts in the entire Northeast region right here in this spot that we are standing on right now. And how do we connect with the plane experience and the resorts and the entire tourism sector will determine whether these kind of technology in the seaplanes will be a success or not. So hence the tourism stakeholders must connect and must be able to work together with the aviation team so that we can actually make it sustainable. Government will have to play the initial role to support so that their sustainability is there, the practical side is there, and be able to move forward. But at the end of the day, it must be sustainable through tourism and other sectors working together. So I'm very hopeful that that will happen. From the tourism point of view, we are very happy today that Shillong is one of the most sought after destinations. That's exactly what the word is. There's a Sky Scanners travel trend report that came out that that Shillong had even surpassed Azerbaijan's Baku as the most sought after destination for Indian travelers in 2025. So that's the kind of the attention or the opportunity that Shillong and Meghalaya has from the tourism perspective. We have had a lot of critics, that have been very critical of the different programs and policies that we have been trying to push as a government, the different festivals that we've been having. Yes, they had their concerns saying that government is spending a lot on festivals, but this is the result of that. So today the investments we have made in different tourism sector programs has resulted in what we are seeing, making Shillong one of the most desirable destinations. So these things take time. It's not that we do things today and we see the results tomorrow. When you plant a seed, it takes time for the fruits to come out, for the tree to grow. But today, after few years of a lot of investment, a lot of structuring, tourism is not just one sector. It's a full ecosystem that you need to develop, from connectivity to basic things like infrastructure of hotel stays, to the manpower that's required, to the beautification of locations that are there, so on and so forth. And hence, it was a very long journey, but we are finally seeing that the investments today we are making in tourism, whether it's in different festivals that people were criticizing earlier, we are seeing that the results are finally showing. And Shillong has become, as I said, one of the most sought after destinations for Indian travelers in 2025. And what is more important is, as we know, the tourism sector, the returns are very high. So whatever investment you make, the money comes into the economy. That's very important to remember. And therefore, whether it's the hotels, the homestays, we have over 700 homestays that have come up in the last 3 years, and we're going to target another 2,000 homestays. And hence the tourists coming in are spending money which is going straight to the people and the public and the citizens of our state. The different eating joints, the different taxis, the different kind of other infrastructures, all of these benefit, and people get the benefit of this because of development of tourism. And that is why this entire process of having the seaplane today coming in is going to be a new experience, is going to be a game changer, I should say. And I'm very excited, in fact, to see this particular aircraft, because, as I said, this is like an amphibian aircraft which can land even on land or ice and water. And I think that is very unique, and it's something that is quite suited, I should say, for the Northeast region.